No service here. Colin Smith, Fib Investments. GPS, 666, Chainsaw Lane. Black Void, Rusted Mailbox, 666. Overgrown driveway, boarded up ranch home. Bear trap, Jesus. Heavy footsteps. The door opens. John Doe, tall, apron, caked hands. Hockey mask, piercing eyes. Mr. Doe, Colin, Fib Investments. We buy, demo, rebuild, Airbnb. Gentrify, sound good. Barren living room. Barren kitchen, sink full. Gnats. John, closer. Minimalistic. Bedroom, handcuffs, brown puddles. Hardwood. Barricaded door, locks. John takes his time. Odor, no lights. Basement. John pulls chain. Light flickers. Basement. Concrete. Bodies piled. Rodent problem. John blinks. $475,000. Rich. Congrats. I sign. Goodbye. Sun sets. Tony calls. Minimalism. Inspired. Tony, great. Good with people. Like, subscribe, share.